Okay, folks, we are back, and it looks like Cassandra's about to make a payment. Let's see here. We have Belk for $130. How much is she going to pay? The current balance. Yes, it is the current balance. What day? That will be today. The payment? What will she choose? I will never know. But we have confirmation, and this will be sent to her email of $130. Now, let's go back. Following up, we have, yes, this is correct. You guys are not being fooled. This credit card is paid in full. The crowd goes wild. Doop, 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 doop. Bonus debt update, guys. Here we are going on to the American Express card where we were debating, should we put the $920 something towards this debt? And yes, we shall. Here we go, guys. Here we go. $978.31 to be paid on April the 1st. Will she go all the way? Confirmation has been sent. Yes, we have. Now we're briefly going for a follow-up. This payment is being processed. How long will it take, do you ask? Here we go. We're about to find out. And we've done it. We have paid this balance down to $577.21. Thank you guys so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time. Bye.